Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the need of web API. In our previous video, we have discussed what are the problems we are facing while creating multiple applications that are communicate with a single database. In left side, I have three applications. Here I have only one database. Our goal is to stabilize the communications between these three applications and the database. So we need a new web API project. Web API project will interact with the database. All these applications will communicate with this web API project. These applications, they don't have direct access with the database. It can communicate with the web API project. Business logics are written in this web API project. This is why we need a web API project. Then front-end applications cannot communicate with the database directly, so we need a web API project as a mediator. Avoid business logic duplication. If you are using web API project, no need to write business logic again and again for each applications. Web API project is a centralized project, so all the applications will interact with the web API project. Extend application functionality. In future, along with the website, you want to create Android application. Now no need to write logic for that. All the APIs that are already created, so we can use them directly in our new application. Abstraction. If we add this abstraction layer in our web API project, the logic not visible to the front end developer. Security. None of the applications cannot interact with the database directly, so it will provide more security. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you there in next video.